Hello guys, how are you? Today we're going to check another topic from grammar that it is called will and want. So please pay attention carefully. Will and want is used to make predictions about the future, something that can happen or something that cannot happen. Like, I will sing, it will rain, I will study. The formula is the subject or the object plus will to say something positive or will not want to say something negative. This is important because you can use will not or want. It is the same, only changes the way you write it. Then we are going to add the verb in simple form. Remember that the verb in simple form is going to be run, dance, cry, rain, study. Okay? Now, we have an example. I will study for the exam. We have I as the subject, will, the prediction, and study, the verb. For example, is a complement. Okay? Now we are going to make this in negative. I will not study for the exam. We have I, that is the subject, will not or won't, the prediction, and study, the verb. For the exam, that is the complement. Okay, any doubts? Okay, let's pass to a practice. Let's practice. Choose the answer according to the picture. It can be will or want. You only have to say if the answer is will or want. We have Samantha jump the rope. According to the picture, what do you think is going to do Samantha? Samantha will jump the rope or Samantha won't jump the rope. What do you think is the answer? Great! It is will, because in the pictures there's a girl jumping the rope. Now we have my friends come to the park. What do you think according to the picture? In the picture, the park is lonely. So what do you think is the answer? I think my friends will or won't come to the park. And the answer is correct, won't, because the park is empty. Let's pass to the other. Peter eat his lunch. What do you think Peter will do? Do you think Peter will eat his lunch or Peter won't eat his lunch? Great! Peter won't eat his lunch. Next one. It rain soon. What do you think will happen with the picture? When you see the sky like cloudy, what do you think will happen? It is going to rain or not? Will or won't? Great! It will rain soon. And then the last one. I go swimming. Do you think I will go swimming or I won't go swimming? Great! I will go swimming. Please remember to write the full date and make the letter readable, guys. Remember, capital letters and punctuation with red color. We need order and cleanliness. Please repeat the video as many times as necessary for better understanding. Remember to ask me any doubts. Thank you guys for your attention. See you!